When we look at whether or not to hold a graduation ceremony, social distancing and keeping social distance practices must be first and foremost. Mass gatherings simply cannot be held for this reason or for any other. Now, I have asked the Ohio Department of Education and the Ohio Department of Health to come together to issue guidance for local schools and health departments to follow. And this is a summary, and they will have up on their webpage shortly the full text so that schools and parents can take a look at it. But this is a summary. First and most preferred is a virtual graduation, a virtual graduation ceremony done through internet platforms. And we know that many schools are doing that and are very excited about that. Second, in preference, would be a drive-in type of ceremony where a student would drive to a designated location at a designated time to get his or her diploma. Third in preference would be an event with 10 people or less at a time who are and remain socially distanced, where a graduate can receive his or her diploma. And again, they go into more details, and that will be put up online shortly. Ohio has 612 school districts. Each school district needs to work with their local health department to make sure that their plan is in accordance with public health guidelines to deal with this pandemic. Of equal concern are graduation parties. And I know through our experience with our children that graduation parties are a big part of the celebration. And they've become, at least during my lifetime, a lot more important. That kids go from graduation party to graduation party. This is tough this year. And I would ask people to remember, because the graduation parties can pose as much risk or more risk, frankly, than a graduation. Remember that our order prohibits gatherings of more than 10 people at a time. While it's time to graduate, it's not the time to have a graduation party. That will have to wait. I understand how hard this is for the class of 2020. It's not how you envisioned it, not how your parents envisioned it, not how anyone envisioned it. But I am confident that our schools will be resourceful and creative in how they can honor the class of 2020. Again, we have posted this guidance on our webpage at coronavirus.ohio.gov. That's the normal place to look, coronavirus.ohio.gov.